KC Royale. This is our video. It is huge, as you can see. 40,000 to be expected. Grand opening night. The buses, traffic lined up 4 miles. Competition very fierce. Sunset. And of course, the matriarch, Barrett-Drew. Over there, we've got Uncle Jamie. Leon with his back turned. Robert's cousin, Shannon's little girl. Shannon is right there. There's Shannon. And Barrett-Drew. Shannon is Robert's cousin. The closest thing to a sibling that we're ever going to get. And of course there's Leon right there. And the booth. And again, the matriarch, Barrett-Drew, who made it all possible. And again, Kansas City. All of the buses. Traffic lined up for miles, as you can see. People, throngs of people. Yes. Okay, and we're going to sign off. The food was delicious. Oh, yum, 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 yum. Ah, Mom, it should be